Did you know that 78 escaped slaves once brought the mighty Roman Empire to its knees? In 73 BCE, a Thracian gladiator named Spartacus broke free from his training school with just 77 other fighters. What happened next shocked Rome to its core. Within 2 years, this small band of rebels had grown into a massive army of over 120,000 escaped slaves and outcasts. Spartacus wasn't just another angry slave. He was a military genius. He studied Roman battle tactics and used them against his former masters. His forces defeated professional Roman legions again and again, using clever tricks like fake retreats and surprise attacks. Here's the tragic twist. Spartacus and his army could have escaped to freedom over the Alps. Instead, they chose revenge. They wanted to make Rome pay for centuries of cruelty. This decision sealed their fate. Marcus Crassus finally cornered them in 71 BCE. After Spartacus died fighting, Rome crucified 6,000 survivors along the main road to the city as a terrifying warning to any slave who dared dream of freedom.